Hey everybody, good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are in the world. So basically, I hope you can hear me very well, and I hope you guys can hear me very well. I have lately some issues with my mic, so I hope it's gonna be better. If not, then I have to fix it. But however, I hope you guys had a fantastic weekend. I hope everything was going well, and we go straight to the charts. Normally, I would do like some fundamental analysis as well, and let's see where we are in the market so far. And so let's start with the DXY. That means the U.S. economy, the U.S. market. Let's do a quickly rundown to see where we are in the market in general. So as we can see, the market is still very bearish in the weekly charts, especially on the monthly as well. We have um, before this month actually ends, we have like 12 hours to go, and then we're gonna get some new reports coming out, and that will happen all this week. So what do we expect this week? Will be we have the job openings coming out, labor market indicators with this week included job openings data, the ADP employment report, and the non-farm payment reports, which could provide further insight into the Federal Reserve's rate path. So all the time, ultimately, we know that those data will come out, and they will come out. One data, the job opening data will come out tomorrow, that would also give us a further indication of how the job market is in the US, and to see if we should, what we're going to do with gold, and what we're going to do with the US market, what we're going to do in general with the US currencies pairs, or gold, or whatever, silver, whatever. So this is what we have in regards to um yeah US job opening call is 3 p.m. tomorrow. Then we have also coming out the non-farm employment charts, which is AP, ADP non-farm employment charts, which is also I think on Wednesday. Then we have non-farm payroll, which is Thursday, and so those 3 days. So this week is going to be a hot week where a lot of people actually will make money. A lot of people will lose money as well. So let's see what is the indication on the technical aspect, to see if what we can expect happening on the technical, right? So on the technical, if we go through what is so far happening, it does look like a continuation to go to the downside in regards to the US market, and that's what I'm expecting. However, we also see on a daily, for instance, like on a 4 hour, a little bit of a push, trying to push to the upside on 4 hours, okay? And we also can see there's a rejection happening one, two, three, 4 times, meaning there's a potential move to the upside. However, we still, in overall, we're still bearish, okay? We're still bearish. So let's see what else can happen, because in order for us to indicate, to know that the US market or is not as good, we have to wait for the data reports coming out during this week. And once we know what is happening, we can, what is the technical saying? The technical definitely says sell. Okay, the whole overall market is sellish, but we don't know what is happening with the Federal Reserve. What does the Federal Reserve says? We don't know what Trump is going to say. The tax bill is coming out, so a lot of things are happening this week lately, and that will determine if the US market is actually healthy or not. And but we do see a little bit of a positive movement, especially on a daily, sorry, on a 4 hour, where we can see there's a little bit like a little bit of positivity, getting ready to go to the upside. Okay, it's getting ready to go to the upside. So we have ultimately two choices. Yeah, either we go to the upside and then we're gonna keep dropping, depending on what is going to happen, or we're going to literally break and then retest in the structure and then keep going further to the downside. If we keep going down, that will be my target, 95.566 level. And if everything goes to the upside, my first target definitely would be 97.7 level, because even though it will go to the upside, indicating a strong bullish move, we still ultimately in the bearish market. Okay, until this area is breaking, until the areas breaks, once it breaks, then we're going to continue to go to the upside, and that will mean for gold that gold is going to continue on selling. So now, as we're looking at the gold market, has a strong retested the daily structure area, came up on Sunday, then continued to go to the upside. Now we do see a strong a dodgy candle and a possible rejection at this area. However, we still have 3 hours to go. Okay, we still have 3 hours to go, and that 3 hours, everything can change within that 3 hours. Right now, my market sentiment itself is definitely bullish. Bullish slash bearish. As I mean, I still believe in the bullish market because we do know that China's also involved in gold, buying a lot of gold, and other central banks are buying a lot of gold so far. So we don't really know what is going to happen here. So we have to wait what is going to happen. So I will wait for confirmation to either buy or sell. Okay, that is my bias. I'm still hoping. What I'm waiting is for a break of structure here, which will indicate for me that it is willing to keep going to the upside. Then I would love to ride the ride, and if not, then I would just that's it. I would just wait it out and see how things will progress. So the other market also indicated was the Euro AUD. Euro AUD, as we go to the 4 hour, we can see there's a strong move to the upside, strong move to the potential. We are definitely on a bullish front, and again, the week all just started. Hopefully, we'll hit the level. That is definitely my overall target. It's a little bit a long shot. We don't know what's going to happen. If it's breaking, we wait for a break of retest this structure and then go to the upside. As for now, my bias is still long, and I hope it will just going to continue on, go to the upside. That's the Euro AUD. We covered gold. We're also on silver. Silver has also a little bit of a rejection going on. It doesn't really know what it wants to do. So this is the same pair. However, there was also a strong move to the upside this morning, especially moving from Sunday night to Monday this morning. And so don't put all the eggs in one basket. We still have Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday to see what the market's going to go. But as for now, the market's a little bit uncertain. There's not much opportunity to be seen with gold. A lot of people will probably going to sell gold because we are, and overall, we're actually bullish. We're not bearish. We are still, we broke a previous structure, now indicating to be bearish, actually, to be honest. However, on the daily, so I'm still wait until this area breaks on the 3,199. Until that breaks, then it will indicate for me we are actually bearish on the weekly, especially on the daily. We are okay. That was last week's candle, right? This candle here, this white candle, was last week Friday's candle, indicating that we will be bearish. Now the week just started. Like I said, employment chart is there. We are on the daily resistance support level as well, indicating potential move to the upside. So we don't really know what is going to happen. So we have to let the market play itself. All I can see from the positive perspective, okay, we did see a strong hammer forming, testing the daily structure level, went all the way, formed an engulfing candle. Now the issue is what we see is here the dodgy. So the dodgy candle means there's uncertainty in the market. There's uncertainty of what is going to happen. It could also be a reversal sign that it will now going to continue to go to the downside. So we don't really know. So what we have to wait, we need to see a bullish confirmation, a bullish trend, something bullish that we know, okay, you know what? So the best would be like a break of structure in this area, and then we definitely indicating, okay, you know what? It is a good buy, it's a good opportunity, and we can continue on going to the upside, okay? So it's just a patient matter and waiting what is going to happen. USD CHF, I'm expecting to continuously go to the downside as well. What I'm hoping, and let's see how that is going to be playing out. And the same thing with AUD CHF. So basically, we on on a weekly, on the 4 hour, we did see a break. It was structure level, tested structure level, and formed engulfing candle, and it's now continues onto the downside. What I was expecting, or what I'm hoping, is to retest this level, go to the upside, retest this level. Now, if we see a potential maybe engulfing and closing strong, then possibly we could enter here. We could enter here at this level, and once we enter at this level, yeah, we could expect a continuation to go to the downside. But we shall see. Okay, we shall see. This is my market update so far. AUD, CHF, then we have USD, CHF, sell, sell, sell. Then we have potential bullish or selling, depending. We are uncertain here, but we wait for a structure shift, and then we know if we're going to buy it. Then we have AUD, Euro AUD, still long, and the same thing. Yeah, so we're still waiting. So I hope it was a short recordings. I hope you guys liked it, and yeah, see you soon. Over and out.